Hey guys, welcome back. I'm always looking at ways to add wholesome vegetables into each meal of mine, and broccoli is a star, or rather one of the stars of this dish. This dish is very easy to make. It's a cold pasta salad. So if you plan in advance, you can actually boil your pasta, keep it ready. You can oven bake your vegetables and keep them ready, and all you do is toss them with the dressing, and voila, you have a great meal. So let's get cooking.
We're going to first start by prepping our vegetables. I'm going to use broccoli, which I'm going to cut into florets. I've got red peppers and red onions, but you can use cauliflower. You can use different colors of peppers. You can use any of the vegetable which you like. But just make sure that when you cut the vegetable, they're almost into the same size. So when you roast them, they cook very evenly. So broccolis are into a small florets. They all go into a roasting tray. Red onions into large chunks. Just cut them into little pieces where they will still hold shape quite well. I prefer to use red onions because they have a nice color, they have a very good flavor, and they also have less moisture. So when you cook them, they don't really break down. You can still get the bite of the onions, and also the colors on roasting is very nice. Red peppers, again, I'm keeping colors in mind. I don't want to put green peppers here because I've got the broccoli. But if I'm say using cauliflower, I might use yellow peppers or might use green peppers to contrast with the colors. Then you season the vegetables in the roasting tray with some salt and cracked pepper. I mean, salt is very important for a food. Without salt, there is just no flavor which will come out of the dish. It will taste very bland. So seasoning is very important. And the best thing is to have a good quality salt and a good quantity of black pepper. Now, if you don't like pepper and you don't like a chili, you can entirely skip adding the peppers into your dish. So seasoning done, then goes in the oil. I'm using plain neutral vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, you can use rapeseed oil. This will go into the oven for a good 10 to 12 minutes for cooking at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degree Fahrenheit to roast. In the meantime, for the dressing, olive oil in a bowl, apple cider vinegar. You can use lemon juice, it works perfectly well. I do like the flavor of apple cider vinegar. I think it works very nicely with salad dressings. Salt again for seasoning. Dried oregano leaves. I just love the flavor of oregano with the oil or along with vegetables. It works extremely well. Garlic powder. I'm using powder here because I don't want the pieces to come in. So I don't want the chopped pieces. So the powder works better for me here. Smoked paprika and honey. You can use a cayenne pepper or red chili powder. It's perfectly acceptable. And a good few turns or twist of cracked pepper from the pepper mill. Whisk it all together till you get a very nice smooth dressing, and that flavors really work through with the garlic, with the apple cider vinegar, with the oregano and the oil absorbing all the flavors. Our vegetables are done out of the oven, and these vegetables will then form part of the salad. But first, add in your boiled pasta. You can use any kind of a pasta which you like. Just toss the pasta in the dressing, but first add in some boiled red kidney beans. You can use canned kidney beans, works perfectly fine. If you want to add other kinds of beans, that would work well. You want to add boiled corn, even that would work well. Just make it more interesting. Add things which you like to eat. Spoon in the roasted vegetables into the salad, the pasta salad, and reserve some for garnish at the last. Toss it together, and it is already beginning to look so wonderfully delicious. And look at the colors. It's got the light yellow of the pasta, it's got the vegetables, the reds, the greens. It's just nice and heartening to see colorful food on the plate. Transfer to a nice big bowl and spoon in the roasted vegetables on top. So here you have your pasta and bean and roasted vegetable salad, healthy and delicious and simple to make. Do cook it, do try it. Happy cooking, bon appetit, and make sure you leave your comments on the section below.